Hello guys, this is Chris from Teqstories. So today we are going to discuss about how you can go ahead and create a virtual network in Azure portal. Let's dive in here. So I'm gonna click Azure virtual network here, and I do have an already an virtual network placed in my account. I'm gonna create a new virtual network for you. You can go ahead and create a new resource group, or you can place your virtual network in your existing resource group. Whichever it is preferable, you can do that. As of now, I'm gonna create a new resource group and I'm gonna place it here. I'm gonna name it as new. I'm gonna have a name here called new virtual network. Okay, that is what you're gonna do. And I'm gonna place this in the East US region. And I'm moving into, as of now, I have given a name and the region, and I'm going for the IP addressing. And if I go for IP addressing, whenever I'm going, Azure is gonna defaultly gonna give us an IP address ranging from 10.1.0.0./16. That is gonna denoted as a CADR value. So that means /16 is denoted like we are gonna get 65,536 IP address here. So by default, Azure is giving us for us, and also it is gonna create a default subnet for us that is ranging from 10.1.0.0./24. That belongs to, we're gonna have 256 IP address available for you. All right. Now, if you want to go down and change this address space, you can change accordingly. If I go down and give /24, it is also accepted here. That means I'm gonna have 256 IP address. So on the time, I need to give a subnet within this value. So as of now, I will go down and give a subnet value as 20. Okay, that means it is gonna get some address. I will let you know how much address it's gonna got. Coming up here, you can add your subnet. Like if you want to add one or two subnets, you can do that, and I'm gonna add sub1, and you need to give some range. So it is ranging from 10.1.0. Let me give 1.0 slash. So it is ranging from 20. If I give here 20, that is what I'm gonna have 4091 IP address available for me. As of now, I'm not going to give this much of address. I'm gonna give 24. Okay, that means my subnet is gonna have 256 IP address available for me. And you need to remember, whenever you are gonna create a net, Azure is going to reserve every 5 IP address for you. It will reserve the first one is called as the 2 IPs will be reserved by default, and also Azure is, for the security purpose, it is reserving another 3 more IP address for you. So whenever you're gonna create every subnet, you're gonna lose 5 IP address. That is what you need to remember. And I'm gonna click on next, and I have added my own configuration. And if I want to go down and configure as my subnet 2, I can do as well. So what is the range I have given here? I have given a range 10.1.1.0/24, and I should not give the same address. If I'm giving the same address, let's see what it is gonna happen. Okay, it will say like it is overlapping the address. See here, the subnet prefix overlaps with this one, because we should not have the same address once again repeating. So I will name it here as 2, and that's it. Now shown like it has been accepted, and we do got another 256 address available for you. And if you ask me what it belongs for the 20, so for 20 it is gonna have 4096 IP address available for you. Okay, that is what belong for 20. And if you want to change, you can also change accordingly. As of now, I will gonna stick with 24. I will get 256 IP address, and not only 24. If I want to go higher than that, I can also do that. Whenever you're gonna increase your CADR value, your address is gonna be decreasing. As of now, for the demo, we shall try to give it as 24.1, and the another subnet has 26. All right, and that's it. And next, I'm coming for the security. And we do got a 3 kinds of security aspect. If you want to enable the bastion host, you can enable that. And if you want to go for DDoS protection standard, that means if you want to go for standard, you can go and enable it here. And you need to remember, by default, and basic DDoS protection is comes for you under no charge. Okay, Azure is giving you at a free of cost for the DDoS basic protection. Whenever you're gonna create a virtual network, you're gonna have a free DDoS basic protection available for you. And if you want to enable the firewall, you can also do that. All right, and about the tags, if you want to enable the tags, you can do that, and you can go down and review and create it. All right, let me go down and click review and create, and that's it. Okay, let's hold on for 1 or 2 minutes. Now our virtual network has been deployed successfully, and here this is what the one we do got our overview page, where it is saying like this is what the resource group name, it is what new, and it is placed in the East US, and it is my subscription here, and this is what my subscription ID, and it has an address space of 10.1.0.0/20, that is 4096 of IP address available for me. All right then. Now, if you come here, you'll be getting a clear idea how many address space available for you. And if you want to check any device want to connect, as of now, we haven't connected any device. Whenever you are gonna create a virtual machine or any other steps, the load balancer or anything, you are gonna map here. Okay, and coming into subnets, we'll be having, as of now, we have created 2 subnets, right? And if you want to add more here also, you can go down and provision it accordingly. And if you want to delete the subnet also, you can do that. Whichever you want to do, you can do everything here. All right, and this is all about the quick introduction about how you can go down and create a virtual network in Azure portal.